Today we're going to be looking at problem 23 of our BC calculus midterm. So we have f of x as represented by the Maclaurin series 1 minus 2x squared plus 2x to the fourth over 3 factorial minus 2x to the 6th over 5 factorial plus 2x to the 8th over 7 factorial on its interval of convergence. Which of the following is correct regarding the existence of a relative extrema at x equals 0? So we first know we have a Maclaurin series. So that means that we have a series that is revolved around 0. And then it's also asking us about the relative extrema, which is just asking us, is there a max or is there a min? So when we think about max and mins, we usually go and we think about our f prime and f prime of x and whether it changes from positive to negative or negative to positive. But because we're giving a Maclaurin series, we are also given what we know is f double prime of x. And when we think about f double prime of x, we know we are given our concavity. So if our f double prime of x is positive or greater than 0, we know that we have a concavity that is going up. So it's concave up. So it's drawing like this. And we know right there that we have, this shows us that there's a min. And if our f double prime of x is less than 0 or is negative, we know that we're concave down, which means that we have a max. So for this one, in order to solve for our f double prime, we have to look back at our Maclaurin series and how it's defined. We know that we have f of x plus f prime of x times x over 1 factorial. And what we really want to know is f double prime of x times x squared over 2 factorial. So using this term, we're going to set it equal to the term we're given in the problem. So we have f double prime of x squared over 2 factorial equals negative 2x squared. So now we just have to solve for what f double prime of x is. So we have these two cancel out. So we have f double prime of x over 2 factorial equals negative 2. And we just cross multiply. So we're given that f double prime of x equals negative 4. So here we have a negative f double prime of x, which indicates that we have a concavity that is downwards. So f double prime of x is less than 0, so we're concave down, which shows us that we have a max at x equals 4. So the answer for problem 23 for the midterm would be A, which states that there's a relative maximum. Now let's look at a different problem, a practice problem. So we have the Maclaurin series 1 minus f minus 5 of x plus 7x squared over 3 factorial minus 9x cubed over 6 factorial. So for this one, we're going to ask, is there a maximum at x equals 0? If not, what type of relative extrema exists at x equals 0? So again, we're looking for our 7x squared over 3 factorial. And we're always going to set that, we're always going to look at this term of our series, of our Maclaurin series. Because, as said previously, f double prime of x helps us determine the concavity of our function. So again, 7x squared over 3 factorial. And we can never assume that, in this example, we can never assume that, say, 7 over 3 factorial is our f double prime of x. We always have to solve it unless they're exactly the same. So again, these cancel out. So we have f double prime of x over 2 factorial equals 7 over 3 factorial. Then again, cross multiply, f double prime of x equals 7 times 2 over 3 factorial. And then you can just go ahead and simplify. Equals 14.
True. Like, I agree with
we know
that
3 factorial is just 3 times 2 times 1, which is just 14 over 6, which can be simplified down to 7 over 3. So again, f double prime of x equals 7 over 3. And 7 over 3 is positive. So again, if our f double prime of x is greater than 0 or is positive, then we know that we are concave up. Concave up. Which shows, and when we graph this, when we draw a sketch, we know that there is a minimum. Don't know why I drew an M. A min. So then to answer the problem itself, we know that there isn't a max, but there is a min at x equals 0, because f double prime of x is positive or greater than 0, which means that it's concave. Alright, thanks for watching. And that was problem 23 on the midterm.